My name is Joanne Light. I moved into this house in August and I needed a number of renovations, specifically the kitchen. I found Novel on the internet. I was impressed with them right away. Ilgar came to the house and did a scope of all what I had. It was a very small kitchen with no storage whatsoever. He took pictures and overlaid his ideas right on them, so it made it really easy to see what it was going to look like. I contacted him and once I went to his showroom, he started shortly after that, and the whole job was complete in about 2 weeks. So they were timely and they were good. My favorite part about the kitchen is the storage, because like I said, there was no storage, and the pot drawers. I don't like bending down, I have bad knees. Having things where I can reach them is my favorite part. I recommend them because they stick to their time schedule and they bill you in portions. As soon as one job is done, they might send a bill. You don't have to pay all your money up front, which is very, very good. And mostly because they're there to answer my questions. All during the process, I could get a hold of them, which is wonderful. Customer service, A1, excellent. They were there.